Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm outside, and as you can see this is wonderful linden or lime tree, however you would like to call it, and now it's in wonderful bloom. You can smell the wonderful sweet scent from miles away. And look at these pretty flowers. So you can make very nice and relaxing tea. It's advisable to get some and dry some for later season. And you might experience some issue. Most of them are outside of your reach. So as you can see, I've been lucky enough to get some tree where I can actually reach and harvest these wonderful flowers. So let me know in the comments below, are you gonna harvest some linden tree flowers? I love the tea. Are you drinking this before you go to bed as a nice relaxant? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you find it useful and you can identify linden tree flowers or lime tree flowers, however you'd like to call it. Okay, I am back from my travels, and I've got something more here about linden tree or lime tree if you like. And the lifespan is between 200 and 1000 years, which is excellent. And the flowers and also leaves are edible. You can see here you would like to harvest the leaves when are in this stage. They are really nice and mild, and you are lucky enough because you can get them throughout the year. You can see they will be sort of like suckers on the trunk, which is excellent, so you can enjoy them during summertime as well. Obviously in springtime they are the best. And let me show you what I've got. I wish we could bottle this scent. It's really nice, pleasant, sweet aroma. And I've got one more here, so I'm gonna dry it. You can see I've got a bit of more rose buds and rose petals here. And this is also excellent not only as a tea, which is really relaxant, and it really helps us reduce anxiety, and it's really great drink before you go to bed if you can't sleep. But also this is great seasoning, so if you make I don't know, maybe chicken, or if you do some quinoa or couscous, you can really season it with this. It's really excellent, so I'm gonna use it in my cooking today. I've got quinoa here, so I'm gonna use it and put it into cooking water for some flavor. And here are some scientific studies on the linden tree, and it indicates it may promote relaxation and reduce symptoms of anxiety, help us sleep, reduce pain and inflammation, and contain antibacterial properties. So this one is really great one to add into your daily routine, and get out there when you smell this wonderful scent, and dry some for later in the year. I hope after today's video you can identify a linden tree or lime tree very easily, and let me know in the comments below, how do you use it, what do you use it for, do you drink it before bed or do you drink it during the day, do you use it in your cooking? I'm really curious to know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now if you haven't done so, share with your friends and family, spread some love, leave me some comments, and thank you so much for watching. Stay amazing, from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.